जानवरों के नाम. Learn name of animals in English and Urdu. This is horse. In Urdu, it's called ghoda. This is cow. In Urdu, it's called गाय. This is camel. In Urdu, it's called oot. This is sheep. In Urdu, it's called bhed. This is goat. In Urdu, it's called bakri. This is elephant. In Urdu, it's called hathi. This is dog. In Urdu, it's called kutta. This is lion. In Urdu, it's called sher. This is cat. In Urdu, it's called billi. This is donkey. In Urdu, it's called gadha. This is mouse. In Urdu, it's called chooha. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe Urdu for Children.